Boss Vacuum stands for first-class packaging machines from our own production, made in Germany. With 50 years of experience in vacuum technology, Boss today offers the largest selection of standard machines in the industry, like for example the table unit Max 42. The machines are made of high-quality parts like stainless steel and splash-proof elements. Clear structure, robust technology, and well-thought-out design combine to create long-life reliability. The stainless steel vacuum chamber is deep drawn. This avoids weld seams that are prone to trap dirt. The rounded edges and the slight depression of the chamber also ensure the highest level of hygiene. Leaking fluids are collected and simply wiped up. The insertion plates with rounded edges regulate the insertion height. This minimizes the chamber volume and shortens the evacuation time, with the result of maximum cost effectiveness. The sealing systems are fixed wirelessly with a connector system and are quick to remove. The high-pressure double sealing with automatic cut function to cut the excess of the bag is standard. Nucleation and smell pollution are reliably stopped. The high-pressure sealing also seals thicker bags securely and precisely. The digital control Z2000 is distinguished by an overview control panel and the large vacuum display. Vacuum and sealing times can be set individually. With the quick stop function, fluids can also be packaged. The vacuum process is shortened manually in order to prevent discharges. The integrated service program ensures the longevity of the vacuum pump. All Boss vacuum packaging machines are equipped with oil-fueled high-performance pumps from Bush. They achieve a vacuum of up to 99.9%, the highest protection from nucleation. Boss machines are extremely service-friendly. The parts are easily accessible. Oil and filters are quick and easy to change. In this way, unnecessary maintenance costs are avoided. Boss offers numerous additional options and equipment variations. Fumigation function, taper sunk key for liquids, suction device for gastronorm containers, mobile undercarriages for table units, and different pump sizes. Let us advise you. Boss Vacuum, simply well packaged.